Hey guys, in this sixth travel vlog, we're exploring the beautiful city of Kyoto.
Damn, we reached this all. First, we will walk through the legendary Thousand Torii Gates.
And then we'll meet and feed some cheeky little monkeys at the monkey park.
And of course, we will end with the most delicious, juicy omi beef. This is your Kyoto guide.
Let's go! So we just arrived at Inari. That's where we can find the Thousand Torii Gate. The one we've seen in the movie Memoirs of Vacation. So can wait. Gonna take some nice pictures. We're already starting with a giant Torii Gate. Hi. Easy to take.
Let's grab the camera for this beautiful. All of those snacks everywhere. Ramen, okonomiyaki, potato. There's Joey with the takoyaki balls. Three, two, one.
Hier Torii daar doorheen. Hier doorheen. Dit is waar ze doorheen reizen. Oh, a lot of stairs. Site Inari Shrine.
My lucky number!
17.
It's a sign, dude. Thank you, universe.
Wat 17?
Ja.
Deze Misatoshi is een teken dat er iets moeilijks over hem heen is. Als je die last en verantwoordelijkheid vermijdt en je eigen veiligheid meet, zal het je eigen vernietiging zijn. Dus het is beter om je eigen initiatief te nemen en met moeilijkheden om te kunnen gaan. Nobumi verzamelt zich in één lichaam en krijgt deugd. Oké.
Intuïtie.
Ja, denk ik.
Eigen intuïtie volgen.
Hoi.
Ja, hier. Colder here.
Ja, it's nice.
Oh, now we are all alone. Mountains go up and down, right? So first part, what, all the way up, and now it's like
Down. Now we go down.
damn, we reached the top. 233 meters long.
It was so easy. I'm not sweaty at all. It was super easy. It took me 10 minutes. Well done.
Ultimate test. How is your
And
condition?
there's some kari swip. So now we're resting for a bit after a snack with some matcha ice cream. Now we're in Gion, in Kyoto, looking for some beef.
Beef, some omi beef.
Supposed to be really good.
Yeah, I'm really hungry after all the stairs.
And we walked so much.
So we took the recommended course, Yomizo course, and we start with the matsutake mushroom tail soup. So that's our first dish.
Itadakimasu. Included in the menu was this conjure eel with eggplant and ponzu sauce. But JD doesn't like eel, so she got this nice little wagyu burger. It's really delicious too. Enjoy. Now arrived the Kyoto vegetable namu and omi beef kimbap.
It's like sushi.
It's the omi G. Jamie's going to demonstrate how to eat this. Good. A little bit spice in it. Beef sushi is good. So we are very excited. Look at all this meat. So much meat. Omi beef.
And rice.
JD is too excited. Can't handle it anymore.
No.
I'll try these cuts. Sorry, I'm not sure which part of the cow it is. First put the
Omi beef top round.
top round, so the butt. Some fat.
Oof,
Oh,
oof.
it's on fire.
Yeah, too much fat. Okay.
Okay, yeah. Look how delicious. And you see the meat parts and the fat. It's like 50-50 almost. So it means it cooks really fast too. See? So I will turn around one more time. So fast. Cooks so fast. Look how delicious. Can't wait.
For me, a little bit longer.
Sorry.
Yeah.
I like it a little bit rare. Yeah, I think that's enough for medium rare. Please enjoy. So it's actually insane. It's like it's barbecue. It's so soft. You don't have to chew it. Just press my tongue against it.
And it melts.
Yeah, it just melts away and it's so delicious. Look at this. A little bit of sauce. You put lemon with the rice. So weird. No other meat tastes like so soft.
It's the best. Eat it medium rare.
Hot blue. We just took our first bite. He showed us how to do it. Just a tongue. Put the fat on this first. But I wanted, maybe I try rare. Maybe I try one meat rare. Hoe wie heeft dit?
Al gedaan.
Oh, shoot. No. Ben je weer wel? So we just thought the fun was over, and then the guy came with even more wagyu. So amazing. Highly recommended this restaurant. Rice. Little bit. Sauces. You saying like you so. That's it then.
Another morning,
was eating this nice okonomiyaki, but with beef sanden, an extra spring onion. We're eating out at the food court at the station. There were so many restaurants, so it was very hard to choose one restaurant. But we saw okonomiyaki, and I was like, alright, I want to eat that for breakfast. And tomorrow we'll try another one because there are too many options. With beef, with cheese, fondue, so much. Delicious okonomiyaki pancakes. Rory's gonna put some toppings on it. Extra mayonnaise. Wants an extra green veggies on it. Bon appetit! Well, for the beef.
Beef.
Let's go to the monkeys. Find the monkey.
Okay guys, made it to the top. Find the monkey. They warn you not to stare into their eyes, because they're very insecure and get angry.
The monkey.
Tiny monkey over there. Now we're inside and you can feed the monkeys. You can buy these little snacks.
Oh, ik heb ook voor jou.
Oh, find a nice little monkey.
It's apple. Baby.
Oh, the baby monkey. That's the one we want to feed. This one is also baby. Look at tiny hand. Oh, you tricked him.
Put on the food. Oh, we het neerzetten.
Yeah. He doesn't want peanuts. Like, oh. You like the fruit more.
Ah.
But this one better.
Oh.
Oh, thank you. Whoa, Japan monkey. Oh, doesn't like it. So many monkeys. Just tiny monkey hand. Look at it. 横に出せる。Oh man. Hey. There's so many monkeys. Oh, naughty monkeys. Oh, that one fucked up. Happy you got to see the monkeys?
Yeah. So
Monkeys and beautiful view of Kyoto. You can see everything. Some kind of geisha floating street. Beautiful.
yeah, and even a donut.
And then the lake and mochi. Insane. Wow. Beautiful, it's true. Whoa, what's inside? More dummy.
Crunchy. A lot of matcha. Crunchy sugar. Let's see what's inside. Custard cream. I feel like my face is all matcha.
Recommended.
Yes.
Official rating.
Everything with matcha here is like a 10. Yeah, it's very good. It's the best donut I ever had.
Best.
Yeah,
Wow.
for sure. Because creme brulee is my favorite dish and matcha is my favorite drink. So combine it in one, in this donut. Chef's kiss. So we are eating now at the Kyoto Tower. And there is a very nice food center here in the basement. And Joe,
Basement.
we have his Wagyu burger. With some potatoes, we did some soju. And I got some gyozas with rice, miso, and a side dish for like €6. Over here, 1,000 yen.
Nice highball.
Yes. And it's nice to have sometimes an exclusive high-end dinner, and the other day we have a cheap but very delicious meal.
Still better than anything in Europe.
We found a Quijote for your wet hair. So cute.
Oh, it's a thing.
Turkey discount card, let's fit it.
Oh, the aliens.